What's up, good people? If I haven't told you lately that I adore and appreciate you coming back week after week to my favorite space, I'm telling you now. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, have you ever wanted to visit New Orleans, but just haven't as of yet? If that's the case, I'm going to bring it to you today by ways of a sandwich. A sandwich called a Muffuletta Sandwich. Now I'm going to show you what a Muffuletta looks like. Now this is a Muffuletta. This is a round, sturdy piece of Italian bread that we're going to make our sandwich with. Right now I'm putting in a cup of green olives, a cup of black olives, and a teaspoon of capers. Capers are flower buds. They come from the caper bush. They're picked before they get an opportunity to bloom. I'm putting in a half a cup of olive oil, a teaspoon of oregano, about a small piece of red onion, and I'm allowing this to, you see the consistency? That's the consistency I want. I put it in my food processor and I just pulsed it a couple of times so the chunks are not too big, but just big enough for the bite. Right now I'm adding in 2 garlic cloves because I had forgot to put it in before. So we're letting it rest. Second, I'm going to roast my red peppers. Now, you by no means have to do this. They come in the jars or the can. But until you start or taste foods made from scratch, you'll understand where I'm coming from. So right now, they're all cleaned and the seeds are out of them, and I'm putting them on a tray with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to put them in the oven for about 45 minutes. So until they look like this. I'm going to cover it up so they get sweat, and then I'm going to take off the skin because the skin you don't want. You should have something like this left over. So let's build the sandwich. I'm going to slice it. You got it, Jay? Down here, right in the center. I'm going to slice this bad boy lengthwise. And then I'm going to gingerly, with my serrated knife, remove a lot of the inside. Now don't fret, I am not going to, because I love me some bread. Remember that, okay, olive salad we made earlier, this is it right here. Jay, bring it up to my mouth, please. I'm going to taste this. See it? Got it? This is so good. It tastes definitely like the garden. Not the garden, the deli. If you know what I mean when I say deli. This is delicious, so fresh. Now these are all my goodies that I'm going to put into my roasted Muffuletta sandwich. My grilled mushrooms, my roasted red peppers, provolone cheese, zucchini, and my beautiful artichokes. But the sandwich just wouldn't be a sandwich without the olive spread. So I'm going to take my bread and I'm going to put some of my spread down below. My beautiful, beautiful spread. I'm going to put some cheese. 2 slices is good enough. I'm going to put, for now, I'm going to put my roasted, you got it down here, zucchini. I'm going to put some of my, put it down close. Make it close and personal. My roasted or grilled portobello mushrooms and my artichokes. I love artichokes. These are artichokes from the can. And I'm going to put some of those red roasted peppers that I roasted earlier right on there. Now this sandwich is hearty as I don't know what. I'm going to put some more and then of my olive salad right here in the center of my bread. Technically, the olive salad is called a tapenade. So if you ever hear the name tapenade, you know that it means olive. So let's see how good I am. Put that on right here. Now, if you're one who likes to smash down your sandwich, this is the time to do it. All right, now, technically, to get the full-bodied flavor and effect of a muffuletta sandwich, you should wrap it up in cellophane, like so. Wrap it up. If you could hold off from eating it for at least 45 minutes, wrap it up in cellophane, like so. And then you want to get something heavy, like this skillet, to press it down. So I'm going to leave it like this for about 45 minutes. And when it's ready, I got to tell you why this muffuletta sandwich is so iconic and so identifiable with New Orleans. It's because the immigrants came over from Italy. And there was this one particular man by the name of Salvador Lupo who invented the muffuletta sandwich. He was making these round balls of bread or loaves of bread that he named muffuletta. And he would fill them with lots of lunch meat, your favorite lunch meats. Think of it as a Italian sandwich, okay, as Italian hoagie. You know what it consists of. The only difference between my muffuletta sandwich and his muffuletta sandwich is that his contained meat and cheeses and mine's contains vegetables because I'm no longer eating meat at the moment, okay? So let me just plate it up, okay? Time for the beautiful unveiling of the sandwich. First, I'm going to slice this bad boy, woo, in half. Look at that, Jay. Get it deep down, close, and make it personal. Okay? Now, I don't care what nobody say, but the bread makes the sandwich. And for me, the sturdier the bread, the more I enjoy it. Tell me about it. Tell me. Jay, I'm bringing it over to you. Look at my sandwich. Look at that. The layers of the different flavors that I put in there. You got it real good? It's a sandwich fit for a king, a queen, a prince, and a princess, and anyone in between. Now bring this little bit up to my face, and I'm going to take a bite. My mouth is not as wide as this here, but I'll take it from this angle. Absolutely superb.
I keep telling you, good people, if you're eating as good as this, there's no room for meat. Mmm. Mmm. There's just no room for meat. When is this I don't know about you guys, but it's dinner time in the Ford household. I'm going to pair our sandwiches off with a beautiful yam. I'm going to put a little bit of butter on there. Can't possibly hurt. Parsley and that beautiful, beautiful sandwich. I got to go because I have to make Jay his sandwich. I'm going to do his with lunch meat. He don't want to join me today with the vegetables, and that's okay. For one more thing, the new sexy is being healthy, baby.
Still squatting every day, and it still hurts every day. I can't understand why I'm so sore all the time. I barely can walk. You would think my body would be used to it by now, but it's something I'm doing. I'll say not right. Hula hoop, same goes for the hula hoop. But I gotta do it. I want to be able to do it for 5 minutes at least without my leg hurting. The purpose of me giving up so much meat and other things that I had given up, even though I started back eating white flours and sugars, a little anyway. I want to get rid of some of that inflammation, but it's working on its own time. I'll be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day. I believe that. All done.